Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. Well done if it's your first time and well done again if it's your second time or third or fourth. What we got for you today? Well, in this no edit walk around video, Harley-Davidson Low Rider S. Stage 1 tuned, it's 114. Best colours, black and gold. Absolutely love the thing. Let's have a walk around it, see if you like it, see if you want it in your shed. You should do. So, 70 plate, which means it is between September 2020 and March 2021. And we'll show you the mileage. We'll run it up in the video, let you hear it. And then if you like the thing, get it bought. Right, start at the front. Obviously, we're checking for condition. I'm going to poke the camera everywhere, stick it where you probably wouldn't look if you came to look at it. So, and then we're going to run it up and you can hear it with the Vance Hines on and the heavy breather. So, Low Rider S, got a great big 114 thumping Milwaukee-Eight engine, and we'll look at that in a second. But as we start at the front, you can see upside down forks. For the handling, we've got that sort of nose bikini fairing, LED front light in there, and the thing is all blacked out. That's the cool bit. In the tank there, where you can see a reflection of me, you can see that old school Harley-Davidson into the tank. Coming down, you can see the heavy breather with the 114 cubic inch moniker on there, and then look at the fins. We all know I love a fin. The fin on the Harleys, it really does give away as to condition and how the bike's been used really, and what sort of weather it's been used in. Because these just go, because there's sort of a milled end on the fins there, and obviously the weather can get straight onto that. Coming down the front, you can see the oil cooler there, black rocker covers with the aluminium sandwich, chrome pushrod tubes, and then your black pedals. That's your brake pedal. Blacked out Vance Hines's, single seat. And then as we come around the back, obviously the Softail family, so Softail play on words, looks like a hardtail. So you've got the suspension is all hidden underneath there. It's come down, the crinkle finish on the exhaust is lovely, and there you've got your Vance Hines moniker that it won't focus in on. Tyres all good. Yeah, they feel like they've literally not been on very long at all. They're Bridgestones. What's that say? You can't quite see that. But they're Bridgestones anyway. And then as we wander around the back, you can see turn signals, LED, brake and stop, brake and stop, brake and tail, belt drive, stopping muck and all the rest of it going all over. And then we've got this Harley-Davidson one-sided saddlebag, and I love that look. That looks like a real old school saddlebag, that one as well. I don't know what that's off, but it's got the Harley-Davidson badges, but it suits the bike an absolute treat. And fitted to one side of the bike, just looks really cool. I've seen that a lot in sort of when I've been around Europe and stuff like that, and it seems to be a look that a lot of guys go for over there. Again, blacked out 114, derby cover there, and then over here we've a battery tender connection. Again on your fins round here, look. Condition of the bike, absolutely stand out. And your gear selector there, all in black as well. Coming up, we're going to go up now. There's me again, look. Harley-Davidson logo on the side of the tank, blacked out. Petrol caps. That's a dummy, that one. On that side, that's your petrol cap on this side. And then we've got the old school crinkle finish down the centre of the tank with a rev counter and the speedo. A bit more information in the dash of these. It's all there in there, and this is really the performance orientated Softail. Go like hellfire. Underbar mirrors there, looking good. And then we've got the back of the nose fairing, as you see. And then as you're looking on top there, the Harley-Davidson moniker's on top of the suspension. Just giving it that cool aluminium anodized look. Love those bronzy gold wheels. Absolutely love them. Again, hopefully you're seeing, I'm talking and telling you things, but hopefully you're seeing the condition as well as we're walking around, because that's the thing you're interested in, isn't it, really? What can we do for you on the bike? Well, if you've got a part exchange, nip to this place. Ooh, why ain't that focusing? Nip to there, and hopefully you'll see a form spookily marked Part X. That is where you fill in all the information for your bike, so I've got everything I need to get you a price. Underneath that is a number. If you need monthly payments, finance, that's the number you need to call, and we'll talk you through that. Then we'll come on to delivery. Here at the Real Toy Shop, we have always delivered our bikes for absolutely nothing. That's mainland UK. Ireland will meet you at Cairn Ryan or Holyhead, no problem at all. Or we've got a dedicated Irish courier who comes over once a week, and we can talk to you about that in the process. So that's how we get it to you. Bring it, be my happy smiling face, no doubt, that brings this to you in the Real Toy Shop crafter van. So if you see us, give us a honk, and we'll get this bike to you just exactly as you see it here. Go on the website, all the terms and conditions are on there, time frames, all that good stuff. But this is your receipt. Doesn't mean you can't come and have a look at it. Please do, we'd love you to. We've got biscuits and tea and stuff like that if I haven't eaten them all. Come and have a look at the bike anytime you like. Obviously when we're open, and then we can show you the bike. Don't have to take the bike that day, we can deliver it another day, so, you know. But we understand people are a long way away, and if you want this toy delivering to your door, and why wouldn't you, then this is your receipt. So that's all the things we can do for you on the bike. Normal sort of standard stuff, isn't it? But anyway, we've gone through that. You want to hear the damn thing run? Well, let's do it. Hear it make a noise. Make it make a noise, Matt. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to listen to those Vance Hines pipes and, yeah, give it a little rev. It's all nicely warmed up, ready, so the internet haters don't get onto me. But if you need to ask permission off anybody before you buy this bike, your mother, your brother, your daddy, your lover, or your missus, ask your missus first before you give us a call, and then we can have a proper conversation. So, round the other side we go. Being a modern Harley, rubber mounted engines and all that stuff you hear from the past, the vibration, everything, just gone. It's keyless ride, so all we need in the hand is this, and then we turn this on, and there we go. There's your mileage. 12,654 miles. It's nothing, absolutely nothing. So let's fire her up. That light is the petrol light. I promise that'll be off. Why is the ABS light flashing? Go and watch many of the hundreds of other videos where I tell everybody why the ABS light's flashing on every modern bike. Most of all, have a listen. Doesn't that sound well? That's a proper sound. Doesn't that sound well? So that's it. That's your 2020 Low Rider S. Stood here with 12,000 miles on it. Matt, I need it in my shed. You should do. So, what's the order of play? Number one, if you've got a part exchange, get that part exchange form filled in on the website. Dead simple. Number two, need some monthly payments. Give one of us a call in the office. Got to do it that way. Number three, let's just get it paid for and get it in a van as quick as I can. I mentioned we've got dozens of other videos, there's hundreds. Go and have a look at them. They'll qualify what I've just done here because I'll show dints, scratches, bangs, everything, and there isn't any on this. So, YouTube thinks you'll probably like that video first, or that playlist, but that button there really helps support our little channel and get that algorithm going, which we need for our family-run little business. So, I'm out of here. Don't forget, get it bought and ask your missus first. See you later.